Hi all, this is Jeanette K Caines from Jewelry Arts Inc., also known as Dr. Goldsmith. In this video, I'm going to give you a tip that you may not know about how to get your bezel settings and your elements in your earrings and your pendants to actually hang straight and face forward.
So I just want to show a little close-up because it was so very cooperative of Eve to do a project with tons and tons of little persnickety connections so that I could film it. So thanks, Eve. Appreciate that. So you see what I mean? We've got all our lovely little connections, everything looking good. Extreme close-up of my fingers. See what I mean? Now, the only thing that I would recommend, I will say, which Eve is welcome to do or not do. You see this jump ring right here, right? It's kind of big and round. Now, if you want your elements to stay a little more front facing, you know what I mean, and not go side to side so much, we'll just take this and squeeze it down to a little bit more of an oval. It's not like you must, but I find that it keeps the stone facing forward, which is what I want. But I mean, it just, look at that. I mean, look at it. Are you fucking kidding me? Looks amazing. So basically our next step, is going to be annealing the bezels and setting the stones, but it's very cooperative of Eve to just do just the right project for us at just the right time. Yay. So I just want to show off this beautiful pendant. You may recall this is Eve's, and we were doing like some of the fussy soldering, in between and connecting the little bail and whatnot. As you see, very beautiful. But I wanted to show off one thing. You may recall we were talking about that the one thing I advised her to do is to oval her jump rings, to squeeze them a little bit on the side. You see that on the side? So she didn't even squeeze it like, a mother load, but an oval jump ring keeps your stone or your element, whatever you've got, facing way more forward. Because you see what I mean? It won't go side to side very much if the jump ring is oval. If the jump ring is round, it'll tend to, you know what I mean? Like much more. So normally for me, I mean, not only also as a pendant, a lot of times it helps it to hang nicer on the body. But it's just one of those little things that you may not think about doing, but now you will, because it really helps. Because there's nothing I hate worse than making like earrings or a pendant and it turns so much the stone's not facing forward. I don't like that. I want to see my pretty stone. So I just wanted to show like what a great job Eve did and what that does, because you see what I mean, how beautiful everything hangs so nice and straight. I mean, I know it's wiggling, but it just hangs beautifully aligned that way, and it's just a big difference. So do this on your pieces and everything will face forward.